story time. So let's listen to the story Hansel and Gretel.
Hansel and Gretel is the German story. It was collected by German brothers and published in 1812 in Grimm's Fairy Tales. So let's hear the story.
Once upon a time, a very poor woodcutter lived near the forest with his two children, Hansel and Gretel, and his second wife was forever nagging the woodcutter. The woodcutter loved his children very much, but his wife often ill treated the children. One day, when the woodcutter was going to the forest to cut woods, his wife persuaded him to take the children and leave them there. Hansel overheard his parents' conversation. Before going, Hansel gathered small pebbles and put them in his pocket. On reaching the forest, the woodcutter told his children, "Stay here, I'll come and take you back after some time." The children waited for the woodcutter, but he didn't come. They walked back home with the help of the little white pebbles that he had dropped while coming with the woodcutter. The parents were shocked to see them back. The next morning, the stepmother decided to send the children in the deep forest. The woodcutter took the children with him again. This time, Hansel couldn't get pebbles, so he took some leftover breadcrumbs with him. It was a long way, and Hansel kept dropping the trail of crumbs behind him. They reached the dark, deep woods. The children were tired. As soon as they fell asleep, the woodcutter left them and returned back home. In the morning, the children woke up and tried to find their way home. They searched for the breadcrumbs, but the birds had already eaten them. They were lost in the forest. While seeking the path, they saw a cottage made of candy. Its roof and door were made of biscuits and chocolates. They were hungry and broke a lump of plaster from the wall. They were just about to try a piece of biscuit dough when it quietly swung. An old woman came out and invited them. The old woman was a witch. She wanted to eat the children. She gave the children food to eat and put them to sleep. When Hansel woke up, he found himself locked in a cage. The witch said, "You are nothing but skin and bones." After waiting for some time, she lost control on herself and decided to eat Gretel. After roasting her in the oven, she took Gretel near the oven and opened the door. Gretel cleverly forced her to jump in the oven and shut the door tightly. Gretel freed Hansel by breaking the cage, and they found a bag full of gold coins. They put them in their pockets and went out in search of their way. On the way, they found a lake. Two swans in the lake. They sat on the back of swans and crossed the lake. They saw their father weeping for them on the other side of the lake. "Your stepmother is dead. Come with me now, my dear children." Hansel and Gretel hugged the woodcutter. "Look, father, we are rich now. You'll never have to chop woods again." And they all lived happily ever after.
So did you enjoy the story? Wasn't it good? So tell me, children, what did you learn from the story? Yes, you should not trust the strangers and don't disobey your parents.
We also learned that we should face every situation bravely. In the story, Hansel pushed the witch in the oven, though she was weaker than the witch. So, like Hansel, we all will face the situation of COVID 19 bravely. Isn't it, children?